Hello, welcome back. So in the previous section, we added our new dependency, which is Flask JWT extended. So in today's section, let's go ahead and let's create our user model based on all the user dependencies, why exactly we need it. Because if you go back to our application, I want to restrict these resources. So I should be able to get the products only if the user is logged in. I want to get the shops only if the user is logged in. I want to create the product or the shop only if the user is logged in. So if the user is not logged in, so in that case, I want to show a unauthorized exception or a error message. So let's start by creating a user model. So let's get started. So to start with, let's go to our model folder and let's create a new file. And here we'll say users.py. And so let me quickly copy paste. So this will be much more simpler. Okay, so I've created a new model, basically a user model, and the name of the table will be users. And then this will have basically three fields. One could be ID, the other could be username, and the other could be password. Okay, and the ID is a primary key. It's of type integer. Username is of type string, and it has a maximum character length of 80, and this should be unique. And it cannot be a null, it cannot be empty. Okay, and our password, it should not be null, and it should be of maximum of 80 characters. Okay, so now let us go to our init.py and let's import this model. So we can say from models.user, let's import user model. Okay, and also let's create the schema because we have created the model. So now it's time to create a schema. So this should be pretty simple, and let's go and quickly add the user schema. So for simplicity, I'll just simply copy and paste, but I would like you to go and type along with me. So you can say here, we have this user schema and we have this ID, and then we have this username, and then we have this password. Okay, so in this section,